For the assumption 1, we can determine the answer without the SPSS application. We directly see the data. The assumption 2, we can also determine the answer without the SPSS application. We directly see the data, for example, what media, what the technique. It is up to researchers. And then, assumption 3, we can determine the answer without the application of SPSS. We directly see the data.
For the assumption 4, we can determine the answer with the SPSS application. For the steps are, Open the SPSS application. Wait a minute for loading. Then, click the variable view in the left corner. Type the name of group. They are wall chart and flip chart. Don't forget change the measure. Choose the scale. After that, back to the data view and input the all of score both of groups. It's all done. Click Analyze and choose Descriptive Statistic and click Explore. Move the names group to Dependent List box. Then, click Statistic on the right corner. Then, checklist the outliers and click Continue. The last, click OK. We can check from the result of the tables and pictures. That is wall chart pictures, and that is flip chart pictures. These two groups do not have outliers, which indicate there are outliers, so there is a case number of outliers in the bottom line of the pictures, and we can check the case number in the extreme values table. For the assumption 5, we can also determine the answer with the SPSS application. For the steps input scores of if it's all done, click Analyze, click Descriptive Statistic, and click Explore. After that, move the names group to Dependent List box. So, after that, click Plots in the right corner of the second order. Then, checklist the normality plot with test, then click Continue, and the last, click OK. So, we can see the test of normality table. For the assumption 6, we can also determine the answer with the SPSS application. For the steps are, open the SPSS application. Wait a minute for loading. Then, click the variable view in the left corner. Type the score and group. Change the measure, choose the scale for score, and choose the nominal for group. And don't forget change the values of group. Fill the value with the number, type the label with names of group. After that, back to the data view, input the all of score both of groups. So, if it's all done, click Analyze and then choose the Compare Means. Then, click the Independent Sample t-test. For the score, move to Test Variable box. And Group, move to Grouping Variable box. Click Define Groups. Fill the number 1 for Group 1. Then, fill the number 2 for the Group 2 and click Continue. And then click OK. We can see the assumption 6 in the table on Leibniz test. Check the result of 6.